So I just received my steering wheel from Socalgarageworks for my Ford Lightning. This thing is magnificent. I mean, it's forged carbon, blue stripe, blue stitching. It should be very nice. Alright guys, to pull out the airbag, there's a bolt here on the left and right side. To pull out the airbag, only 2 bolts. Pulls out. There's this brown electrical connector that's on the top. It's on the top side. So just take that off and it should come right out. And then your cruise control buttons, it goes right there. So just put my finger in there, depress the the thing and pulled it out. Then there's a T45 bolt, not T45, T50 Torx. Took that out, had some Loctite on it. And then now I'm going to use a 2-jaw puller to pull this. Alright, so I got my 2-jaw puller, just a jaw puller from Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. And then I put an 11mm short socket so I don't mess up the threads on the inside for the Torx screw. So, and this is a 15mm for this, so I'm just gonna put my ratchet on it, pull it off. Alright, so it popped off, and I'm just going to feed the wires through, and then I'm going to put my new steering wheel in and swap the cruise control buttons and stuff. Alright, so I unscrewed the cruise control buttons right here, 4 locations. Now I'm going to start taking these, whatever these are, out. These are T30 Torx screws, so I'm going to take these screws out and pull them out and transfer them over to that wheel. Also removed these 2 back screws right here to take this plastic shroud off. Alright, so now I'm going to start connecting the cruise control buttons. I laid it out behind it. I'll move on. Alright, so I got the cruise control buttons in, got the black shroud cover in, I got these rails in, so I'm going to put it in the truck. Alright, so I kind of had to press the steering wheel on a little bit, kind of press it on, make sure I got the connectors in the correct spot, and then I'm going to start tightening this. Alright, I use my impact with this T50, and it is on. Put the airbag on. Well, actually I need to put the cruise control buttons in. That's snapped in. Wires look good. Over the top. Then I'll run the airbag screws through here for these holes. So stick that in. I'm gonna connect that brown, those 2 brown ones. Alright, now it's installed. Perforated leather sides, blue stitching, forged carbon. I'm in love with it.